Thomas and friends, making tracks to great destinations.
Dear Christopher, here is your friend Thomas the Tank Engine. He wanted to come out of his station yard and see the world. These stories tell you how he did it. I hope you will like them because you helped me to make them. Your loving Daddy.
The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. Thomas enjoys puffing all over the island. But where is Thomas puffing today? Thomas is puffing high into the hills of Sodor. Hello, Thomas. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the narrow gauge railway.